rarest canid in the world and endemic to Ethiopia. It thrives in the Afro-Alpine regions, particularly the Simien and Bale Mountains. 2. Gelada baboon, Therapithecus gelada. Often called the bleeding heart baboon due to the red patch on its chest, this primate is unique to Ethiopia's highlands, especially the Simien Mountains. 3. Walia ibex, Capra wali. An endangered species of wild goat, found only in the Simien Mountains. It's adapted to steep, rocky terrains. Lion, Panthera leo. Lions roam in various regions, including national parks like Awash and Gambela, showcasing Ethiopia's savanna wildlife. 6. Leopard, Panthera pardus. These elusive cats are widespread across Ethiopia's forests and grasslands, including in the Bale Mountains and Omo Valley. 7. African elephant. Found in areas like Babele Elephant Sanctuary and Gambela National Park, though their numbers are declining due to habitat loss. 8. Cheetah, Acinonyx jubatus. Present in Ethiopia's eastern lowlands and southern regions, adapted to open plains for high-speed hunting. 9. Birds, e.g. Abyssinian catbird, lammergeier. Ethiopia boasts over 800 bird species, many endemic, like the Abyssinian catbird and the lammergeier bearded vulture, seen in mountainous areas. 10. Nile crocodile, Crocodilus niloticus. Found in Ethiopia's rivers and lakes, such as Lake Tana and the Omo River. Ethiopia's national parks and conservation areas like Simien Mountains National Park, Bale Mountains National Park, and Nekessar National Park protect these species. However, habitat destruction, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict threaten many of them. If you'd like details about a specific animal or region, feel free to ask.